Today I'm going to show you guys how to change an air filter element on a Subaru Ascent. This is a 2018, should be the same for other models. And as far as Crosstrek, Forester, Outback, other units, they may be the same. I'm not exactly sure. But I have a brand new air filter element, factory part. You can see it says here, this side up, and Subaru, made by Denso. Made in the USA, wow. Okay, so this is pretty easy, one of the more simpler installs, but those of you that don't know how to do it, there's a little bit of a trick. Pop off these clamps here, and the bottom part doesn't break away or release. It kind of just pivots. So you just push that back. Here's the old filter right here. And all you do is just pull that out. You can see it's a little dirty here. Some grayish color and whatnot in there. And for the new one, you just drop it in. And this foam rubber part actually sits inside the box here. This glue element here kind of keeps it sturdy. So you will have to push that down a little bit and get the filter inside the box there. You can see it just sets in. And then just pull the other side of the box tight and resecure the clamps. No screws, no bolts, very easy. Thanks for watching.